So today we have 5% at St. Christ in 8th grade.
God has provided CIDM with unique opportunities to teach the Bible as required curriculum and class in Haiti high schools. Currently, our 2 Bible teachers reach over 1,100 students with the gospel and biblical life principles. Students regularly accept Christ right in their classrooms and are further discipled by attending our New Life Discipleship Bible Study. These youth are hungry and searching for truth, and a revival is spreading right before our eyes. The students' changed behavior is causing principals to invite us to teach in more schools, even in other cities. We need to hire more qualified Bible teachers to fill these requests. Won't you partner with us as we fulfill this important need to feed the youth of Haiti with God's Word? The fields are ripe for harvest, and the possibilities are endless. Together, we're changing Haiti one life at a time.